Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will guide you on how to make your first trade in your MetaTrader 4 on Windows PC. If you haven't installed MT4 yet, start by downloading it from our official website. Simply follow the installation instructions provided to set up the platform on your PC. To begin, open the MetaTrader 4 platform. Log in using your account credentials. Enter your login ID, password, and select the appropriate server to get started. Now, let's open your first trade. There are several ways to do this on MT4. You can go to the Tools menu and select New Order, or double-click on the trading instrument name in the Market Watch window, or click the New Order button in the toolbar, or simply press F9 on your keyboard. In the New Order window, you'll need to select the trading symbol, set your transaction size, and input your stop loss and take profit levels. Additionally, ensure you choose the correct execution type under the Type field. Once you're ready, click Sell by Market or Buy by Market to execute your trade. To close an open order, you have multiple options. Double-click the order in the Trade tab, and then click the Close by Market button. Or, right-click on the order in the Trade tab, select Close Order, and confirm. Or, click the X on the right side of the order in the Trade tab. If one-click trading is active, this will instantly close the trade. To set up a pending order, start by opening a new order window as before. Select your symbol and set the order volume. Then, from the Type drop-down menu, choose Pending Order. Next, choose your pending order type from the available options. Set your stop loss and take profit levels, and click Place to activate the pending order. To modify an existing order, right-click on it in the Trade tab, then select Modify or Delete Order. Make the necessary adjustments and click Modify to save changes. If you wish to delete the order, simply click Delete. Congratulations! You've just learned how to make your first trade on MetaTrader 4 using a Windows PC. Thank you for choosing IS6FX. Happy trading!